shopping. Guess what she bought me? Guess what she bought me? This fantastic scrapbook.
So guys, let's start unboxing. So I think it's on this side. Yeah, it's on this side. So, yes. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Can you see my hand? What's this? There's a little slip, guys. What does that say? Oh, that's like instructions. So guys, yes, start taking the sellotape off. Woo! Sellotape. There's another piece here. So guys, I had to take the sellotape off camera. Wow, this looks so cute. Let me just take it off like that. So there's some sellotape sticking it to the thing. So I got scissors, glue, and a pen. The pen's probably to write inside it. And there's stickers. I think they're 3D because they have like another set on there. There's glitter and sequins, glitter and like gems and stuff. Let me get the gems. Here's the gems. And here's the sequins and glitter. So guys, let's actually go inside the book. So the first thing I got was a scrapbook. Oh, what are these funny things? Oh, I think it's to make the paper all go together. And there's my scrapbook. Ooh. On to the scissors. So I think the scissors are whirly-twirly because of that line. Oh yeah, they are, yeah, they are. Look. Bye. I'm joking. Moving on to the glue. This is a glue stick. It's a glue stick for stickers. I also got some stickers and they look awesome. And they're 3D stickers. And it's purple. Look. So guys, these are the sequins, these are the gems. They look so colourful. Don't these sequins look beautiful? Comment down below. So guys, this is like some kind of background or like an invitation that says like party, yay, celebrate, woohoo, hooray. And it looks colourful. And I think you're meant to like write there. This is something like an invitation, but I don't know. When I go through the instructions, I will know. These are more stickers and they're more colourful than the other ones. Spell my name and there's like so many letters, so many. And lots of like, there's a unicorn, there's a diamond ring, there's donut, worry, there's lots and some more stickers. I don't think they're stickers, but I think they're like stickers that you have to stick on with the glue that I into. Fries before guys, live in the shop to eat more cake. Do not worry. So guys, these are all the things that I unboxed. It was fun unboxing it. with you guys. So I hope you like it too. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye! So guys, I hope you enjoyed unboxing the scrapbook with me. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah.